about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Classroom app. So you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on apps, just click on it. You come to next step here, and here you're looking for Classroom app, or just click on search. Then here at Classroom, it's going to show for you like this. You come to next step here, then all you have to do, you just click on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.